Hello friends, welcome back to OZK TV. We talk about society, family, lifestyle here in this channel. I'm glad you stopped by. Well, today I'll be concluding the series I started on rape a few weeks ago. You may want to ask, why rape every time rape? Well, rape has become a source of concern for us in this society. No day passes without you hearing about one incident or the other, and we have to talk about it. We need a sane society. Some people have come to say that because women dress indecently, they don't dress well. What do you think about people who give dressing as a reason for rape? Are they justified? What is indecent dressing? What is indecent to one may not be indecent to the other. It's subjective. Can we rightly say that dressing is reason for rape? Okay, what about children? Do they dress indecently? How does a 2-year-old dress? How does a 7-year-old dress? So you see, if dressing is reason for rape, then children shouldn't be victims. Well, what would a grown man be looking for in a 2-year-old? What is it? A grown man. What is it that he saw in a baby, in a little girl, or in a little boy? Because boys too get raped. 2 years, 3 years, 3 months, 6 months, they are all being raped. Just recently, the other day, an Abeokuta High Court sentenced a 35-year-old man, Adekunle Olalere, to life imprisonment. What did he do? He defiled a 2-year-old girl. The girl's mother was his neighbor. You see, maybe the girl straight to his room or anything, or maybe he took the girl away. He raped her. That was what happened. But I'm happy he has been put away. Life imprisonment. Well, serves him right. Okay, it serves him right. He asked for it. He got what he deserved. So that is what we are talking about. And in a related development, a magistrate court in Edo State has sentenced 31-year-old Sunday Akpeji to 9 years in the correctional center without an option of fine. Nobody. He will be there. What did he do? He raped a 7-year-old girl. So he will serve his term at the Auchi correctional center. That is what we are talking about. When you begin to wonder, when you look at it, you just want to shed tears. A grown man, probably they all have wives. They have wives. They have children. So what are they looking at those little girls for? A 2-year-old is just a baby, and that is where their interests lie. What attracted a man to a girl? What is it? If they say women, they dress indecently, they dress anyhow they like, what about children? Can you see that the people that are telling us that dressing is the reason little women are raped? You can see that they are not justified now. They are not. How do we look at this thing? The society is becoming something else. Children are no longer safe. They are no longer free to be children. You see, the government should ensure implementation of relevant laws. Offenders must be brought to book. They should have expedited hearing. They cannot just apprehend them and leave them. You cannot release them to the society, because if you do, they're just going to cause more harm, wreak havoc in the society. They will not allow that. They must be brought to book. They must be punished accordingly, in accordance with relevant laws. That's what we are talking about. So we are happy that they have started doing something, at least jailing some, doing all these things. We need it. Remember last year, a 47-year-old school instructor was jailed for 60 years. Oh yes. He had a wife. He had his own children. But he defiled a 2-year-old girl. 2-year-old. So he was put away for 60 years. That is 107 years. Will he live to be 107 years? Of course not. But that is where he liked. That is what he wanted for himself, and that is what he got. So there's nothing we can do about it. He already thought that was what was okay for him, so he got it. So that is where he is. We have to be there for these children. We are saying that the children, they are the future of tomorrow. Yes, they are the future of tomorrow. What type of leaders would we want them to be? A child that was raped, how would that child grow up? And that some of these rapes, and they were not reported. So like the ones that happen in homes, their parents will just cover everything up, and the child will grow up with so much hurt, so much anger at the society. Because that is how what kind of a leader would that child be? Growing up angry, growing up hurt, bottling up everything up. She will definitely be depressed. And we do not want that for our children. We do not want that. Children should be free to live as children. We don't want children having adult bodies, yet they are children. It will not do any good. Rape is a criminal offense. If they apprehend anyone for rape, the person should be dealt with. Even if you put away. Once they have been able to ascertain that he did such, he should be put away for good. To serve as a deterrent, for others that want to come up with such things. They need to know that, it's no longer a business as usual. But when you rape someone, you are going in for something. When you rape someone, you will get whatever you deserve. You will get it. Yes, because we don't want these children to grow up feeling terrible, feeling bad, and feeling that the society didn't protect them. And they have to also do all this so that because talk about early marriage. Early marriage is also another form of rape. It's another form of rape. This sexual assault on children, we should be concerned. That's why we're talking about it, and that's why I'm very happy that some people have been apprehended and they have been convicted. We need more of this. We need more of it because there are so many rape cases in the society today. So that's what I'm talking about. Even female genital mutilation, all these things, the girl child is suffering. While we are concentrating on the girl child, we also know that boys get raped. They get raped. So we are looking at everyone. We are looking at all the children. We are trying to protect them. We have to protect our children. If you have a neighbor and you find that this kind of thing is happening in your neighbor's house, please do not keep quiet. It could be your neighbor tomorrow. It could be someone else the next day. It could be you. So let us speak out against this thing. It's evil. You can see that it's not about dressing. People that rape, all these rapists, people that molest children, they are not okay. They are insane. Mad people, crazy people living amongst sane human beings. That is why we have to put them away before they corrupt every other person. Okay, we need to speak out. If you know where it is happening, maybe in school, wherever, just report. There are numbers to call. There are places you go. You can go to the police station and make your report. Because you have to save these children. You have to save them. They do not deserve what they are getting. They do not deserve it at all. And the onus lies on us, the adults, parents, fathers, teachers, everybody. The onus lies on all of us to do the right thing, to take care of them, to protect them. Even if the child is not yours, please learn to protect all the children. We need to protect them. Let them see us as people they can have confidence in. Because it is very, very necessary that they have balanced lives. The children need it. The society needs it. Yes. So that is the end of the series on rape. Until next time, if we still have things to talk about concerning rape, we still address it. Because we cannot keep quiet. Honestly, we cannot keep quiet. We cannot keep quiet. We cannot allow it to fester. Okay? So maybe you know someone, or you want to talk about, maybe you have an experience, you've had an experience maybe in your child's school or the church, anywhere. We can talk about it. You can discuss it. You can drop a line in the comment section. Let's look at it. Let's discuss it. Okay? Because what concerns one concerns all. It's a society. We want to be safe. We want to be happy. We want our children to run around. We want them to be happy wherever they go. Yes, we can't always hold them and tell them, okay, sit here or sit there. Because that is what the society has turned out to be now. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so you will get to know each time I drop a new video. Also like and share my videos with your friends and loved ones. For my returning subscribers, thank you for staying with me. I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.